Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best products on the market for your construction needs. The Loctite Power Grab Express Heavy-Duty Construction Adhesive. If you're looking for a versatile adhesive that stands out, especially for underwater tile applications, you're in the right place. Let's explore why this product is a game-changer. Loctite Power Grab Express isn't just your average construction adhesive. It's designed with one thing in mind: strength. Whether you're working on wood, tile, or even foam board, this adhesive excels. It's known for its high initial tack, which means 0-second instant grab, minimizing the need for additional support like nails or screws. Perfect for those quick, yet heavy-duty projects both indoors and outdoors. Professional grade, it dries white and is paintable, ensuring a seamless finish for your projects. Versatility. Bonds effectively with a wide range of materials including wood, drywall, ceramic, and even vinyl cove base. Ease of use. Applied using a caulking gun, it remains repositionable for up to 15 minutes, giving you flexibility during installation. The performance of Loctite Power Grab Express is where it truly shines. With its quick curing time of just 12 hours, you can proceed with confidence knowing your project is securely bonded. Whether you're tackling interior renovations or outdoor fixes, this adhesive holds up exceptionally well under various conditions. It's also worth noting that this adhesive is environmentally friendly, being water-based with a low odor formula. It's GreenGuard Indoor Air Quality certified, ensuring it meets strict standards for low chemical emissions, making it safe for indoor use. In conclusion, if you're searching for a dependable adhesive that excels in both versatility and performance, look no further than the Loctite Power Grab Express Heavy-Duty Construction Adhesive. From securing tiles underwater to mounting foam boards, its strength and ease of application make it a must-have in your toolkit. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product analyses. Have you used Loctite Power Grab Express before? Share your experiences in the comments below. Until next time, happy crafting and building!